If your latte art is looking like this, let me show you some tips to get it looking like this, using my KitchenAid home espresso machine. Something people overlook is your cup of choice. You don't want a tall, narrow cup like this. You want a cup with a round bottom and a wide mouth. This will give you more room and time to pour your art. For great latte art, you need to have silky milk and you need a powerful machine with a great steam wand. Too thin and you won't have a canvas to draw on. Too thick and it will just be one big blob. Now before you pour, your cup needs to be tilted on an angle towards you. This will give you more surface area and allow you to get the tip of your jug close to the crema. Before pouring, make sure you're constantly swirling your milk to keep it homogeneous, and you swirl your espresso to break up the crema, making it easy to pour in. Start with your pour around 5 centimeters away in a thin stream and circulate your milk to set the canvas. The milk should fall through, leaving you with a beautiful brown crema. Once half full, lower your jug to the crema and pour just above the center. You'll see that as you get closer, the white starts to appear on top. Continue pouring in the same spot, but speed up your pour. If you wriggle your wrist, you'll get a wavy effect. And then if you pull through, this is how you pour a heart. Once you've mastered the heart, you can try other patterns, like a rosetta by wriggling your wrist and then pulling back to create a long neck. Or you could try a tulip by pushing hearts into one another and creating this beautiful layered effect. Coffee, yo.